So where are we at? We are at the airport again. And guess what? We're going to Disney World again for Christmas this time. We're looking forward to it. No Brittany on this trip. She had to stay behind and work. Somebody's got to make some money around here. While I go out and I play and I see what Orlando has to offer again. I can't wait to bring you along. Let's go see the Christmas decorations. Let's see some Rise of the Resistance, maybe? Star Wars Land. I look forward to another trip and having you tag along with me at Disney.
Please hold on to the handrails. The next stop is Terminals A and B.
Hello, this is Orlando Mayor Buddy Dyer. If you're a resident of Central Florida, I want to welcome you home. If you're one of our 75 million visitors, welcome to the City Beautiful.
Stand clear of doors and hold onto handrails. When the 8 p.m. stops, please exit and follow the signs to baggage claim B. Resort and other ground transportation options are located on level 1.
Alright, everybody, we made it. We made it to the All-Star Sports Resort where we're staying for this weekend. In the Home Run Hotel, pretty cool. I'll show you around here in a second, although it's 2 o'clock in the morning, so I'm trying to be quiet about it. Tomorrow's a sleep-in day, and we'll do a quick room tour before we go to sleep tonight, and then we'll hit the ground running when we wake up tomorrow, because the next 2 days we're going for Star Wars Galaxy's Edge, so we got to be up bright and early. So tomorrow, sleep-in day after the long travel night, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, All-Star Sports, about what you would expect, but let's take a look around, right? Alright, here we are, everybody, at the room. Just wanted to show the view. It's a lovely jungle view this time. At least it's not the swamp of last time. Parking lot is actually right over there. and so is the next All-Star over. So in theory, really close. You could hop over there to get the bus, or maybe close to an All-Star Sports bus. And the food court, things like that. So that's definitely an option. Here we are. This is room 9324 in the Home Run Hotel at All-Star Sports. This is an unrenovated room. So you're gonna see what's two right here, two doubles in this room with one massive headboard. Very tiny. If you're trying to fit two people, you gotta get real cozy if you're doing that. Over here, the old school coffee table. It's not like the renovated rooms where the pull down with a nice big table on there. And of course the trim here. Still kind of cool. You got Mickey playing football and Daisy surfing. You got Goofy playing basketball. Minnie a little tennis. And of course Donald with the baseball. So that's kind of cool. Of course the focus piece is Donald playing baseball over there for this hotel, the Home Run Hotel. And of course the big armoire still with the drawers and the refrigerator. Decent sized space, beat up furniture, but that's okay. It's coming up for rehab. What I never understood with these side shelves, I like the little railing there. I don't know what you put in there, but okay. Also a little, these should be coming to a retail outlet near you soon through the rehab. Those are kind of cute right there. So instead of all the storage space, you have really nothing here. Ironing board, one little storage rack up there. Safe you kind of can't do much with, and with a key instead of a code, old school. Here's the vanity. A big old full length mirror there. Finally the bathroom. Lovely shade of bronze there. Toilet. Once again carrying the theme, it's a shower curtain in these older ones. There's Donald again, playing football this time, ironically. And they have found time to change the pump shampoo over. But there it is. And a full-length mirror there as well on the back of the door. But there's the room. Alright everybody, so I'm turning in now. I wanted to do a quick word about Magical Express, especially at these hours of night. It's a free ride, and they're very nice buses. It's a great mode of transportation. Just a word of warning, you're gonna wait. It's gonna take a long time. Our flight landed about 15 minutes early, which is 12:15. We're at the resort, we're through check-in and everything at about 2 a.m. So be prepared to wait. You know, Uber would take you 30 minutes real quick, possibly even less. But yeah, just don't get frustrated with it and stick through the process, and you'll make it here, I promise. But don't have super big plans on the day you're arriving, or the day you're leaving for that matter, because it leaves like absurdly early, like 3 hours, 4 hours, sometimes 5 hours before your flight even takes off. So it's pretty much a shot day there, but it's a good service. Just a word of warning there. Be prepared to wait. So I'm turning in. Have a great night, a great day, whatever you're in the mood for, and can't wait till you get to experience Disney too. Any night at Disney is a great night. So thanks again. Subscribe down below, and we'll talk to you later.